Hey guys, my name is Kevin Carden. I am excited to announce a brand new training course called The Ultimate Guide to Christian Art. If you have wanted to create Christian artwork and you don't know where to get started, I have made this course especially for you. It's over 11 hours of training. We're going to talk about all kinds of things like what is Christian art? How do I get inspired to create art from the Bible? What are some areas that we should avoid? How do I use Photoshop? All these basic ideas that I want to explain to you. And then we're going to go through step by step in Photoshop how to create Christian artwork. I've been doing this for 12 years. I've learned a lot. I want to share the knowledge that I have and be able to equip you to make your own artwork as well. So I'm excited for this course. Hope that you'll check it out. And then after you've completed this course, you're going to be very well prepared to create your own artwork and to be a blessing to those that you share it with. Hope that you have fun creating, and I can't wait to see what you guys can create.